Alright, ladies and gentlemen, number 19 involves angle of elevation and angle of depression, which means to solve it we're going to be dealing with some right triangles. We have a tower that is 410 feet from a building, so we will draw something to represent the tower, and we will represent the ground here, and here is your building. And so if you were looking out from a window in the building, then you would see, according to the question, you'd be able to see the top of the building, and you'd be able to see the bottom of the building, and you would have an angle of elevation from horizontal of 42 degrees, and an angle of depression of 25 degrees. Angle of elevation just means you're looking up, angle of depression just means you're looking down. And so you know you have 90 degrees here. Well, we're also going to be able to figure out this angle and this angle because we know two of the angles, and we know that the three angles of a triangle have to add up to 180. So 90 plus 25 is 115, which means this has to be 65 degrees. 90 plus 42 is 132, which means this has to be 48 degrees. Just subtracting the two together from 180. Now, we're told that the tower is located 410 feet from the building, and we're looking for the height of the building. That would be this. Now, we've created two right triangles here, so what we're going to end up doing is we're going to end up calculating one height and the other height, and then we'll add them together. So we'll do that by using law of sines, because since we have an angle and the length of a side across from it, then we can figure out, then we know when we have that, we're going to use law of sines to figure this out. So that'll be the sine of 48 over 410 equals the sine of 42 over that length. So and we'll just call that x. And then the other one would be sine of 65. I'll write it over here to make sure I have room. Sine of 65 over 410. You can tell that I don't do this that often. Equals the sine of 25 and we'll call that y. So we go to the calculator, and it would be sine of 42 times 410 divided by sine of 48. So we go 42 sine times 410 divided by 48 sine equals 369 Alright, Now let's look at the other one. It'll be sine of 25 times 410 divided by sine of 65. We're cross multiplying to find the missing length. Sine of 25 times 410 divided by sine of 65. So it would be 25 sine times 410 divided by 65 sine equals 191. And what's 191 plus 369? 560.